Yung reported ninyo total na 5.7, dagdagan nyo ng 450 yan. Kasi dyan sa 5, kasi dyan sa 5.7 na yan, kasama na dyan yung 281 ng unprogrammed. I-check ninyo yung reports ninyo, ganun yun. So,
Ang budget na ngayon is 6.
6 trillion. 6. Including the unprogrammed, na 6. Ang aking point is, ang ginamit na salita sa constitutions, appropriations. Ngayon, kaya ang tanong ko, did the Constitution distinguish kung programmed yan or unprogrammed? Hindi. Therefore, it should apply an appropriations because an unprogrammed appropriation is still an appropriation. Ano meaning ng appropriation? Authority to spend. So, ang nangyari, binigyan ng Kongreso ang executive branch ng authority to spend an amount even greater than hiningi ni executive branch. It's as simple as that. Unconstitutional.
Pwedeng gawin.
Pwedeng i-question eh.
Sir, will you challenge that?
Supreme Court.
Will you
Sir,
challenge
kayo ba
that?
mismo may plano kayo or...
Makiusap muna ako sa may mga abogadong willing to accept the challenge.